Welcome to practice. In today's session, we're going to stretch right on the couch or in bed. It's a rainy day here in Atlanta where I am, and I want to share this practice with you that is great for days when you're feeling fatigued, stressed, and just want to lay back, get a good stretch, and watch your show. I invite you to grab your props, yoga bolsters, and some thick pillows will help in today's practice, and grab a yoga strap. And if you don't have a yoga strap, a belt is a great substitute. Let's start off in easy seated pose, Sukhasana. Let's start with some neck rotations. Drop the left ear towards the left shoulder and circle the head around in one direction. Switch the direction of your neck rotations. Bring your head back to center. Take the right ear towards the right shoulder. Send your left hand over to the left across from the left hip and land it on the surface beneath you. Relax your shoulders and relax your hips. Release the chin down towards the right armpit and bring the right hand to the back of the head, getting a nice deep stretch right where the neck and the shoulder connect. Release the head, bring the neck back up to center. Take the back of the right hand and the forearm to the lower back. Stretch the right ear towards the right shoulder. Relax the body. Bring the head back to center, release the left arm. Bend the left elbow. Bring the left palm of the hand to the upper back and grab a hold of the left elbow with the right hand. Push the head back into the left forearm. Send the left elbow back. Keep the arms as is and side stretch over to the right. Breathe into your side body. Release and come back to center. Roll out your shoulders. Take the left ear towards the left shoulder and take the right hand out towards the right. Remember to take deep breaths and relax the body. Bring the head upright. Take the chin towards the left armpit. Bring the left hand to the back of the skull and gently apply pressure, stretching into the back of the neck. Bring the head back up to release. Bring the back of the right hand to the lower back. Relax your shoulders. Open your chest and bring the left ear towards the left shoulder. Bring the head back to center and release the right arm. Bend the right elbow. Bring the right hand to the upper back. Grab a hold of the right elbow with the left hand. Keep the arms as is. Lengthen the sides of the body and side stretch over towards the left. Come back up to center, release the arms. Take a moment to roll out the shoulders. Keep the left heel in towards the hips and take the right leg out towards the right. Even out the weight in your sits bones. Hinge from the hips, fold forward. Release for head to knee. Keep the right leg straight in front of you. Keep the left foot on the inside of the right leg. Lengthen the sides of the body. Fold forward over the right leg. Send your chest towards the right toes. Let's release. Draw the right heel in towards the hips. Stretch the left leg out towards the left. Fold forward. Soften your hips and soften your upper back. Come upright. Move the left leg in front of you. Draw the right heel closer to the hips and keep the right sole of the foot on the inside of the left leg. Fold forward over the left leg. Release. And let's take both legs out wide for straddle pose. Sit up nice and tall, lengthen your spine and the sides of your body. Gently flex the toes towards the body and hinge forward. Release the legs, and let's set up the legs for double pigeon. Bring the right shin parallel right in front of you, and then stack the left leg and calf and shin right on top of the right. The left ankle is on the right knee, and the right ankle is right under the left knee. Lengthen your spine and fold forward. Let's take a twist here. Bring the right hand on the left knee and twist over to the left. Soften the hips. Come forward and let's switch the position of the legs. Stack the right shin right on top of the left. Flex the toes of both feet. Sit up tall, and then exhale to spinal twist over to the right. Come back to center. Release the legs. Sit cross-legged and side stretch over to the left, bringing the right arm up overhead. Inhale, left arm up overhead as you side stretch over to the right. Inhale through center, side stretch over to the left. And then inhale through center again and side stretch over to the right. Link your breath and your movement and side stretch back and forth. We're going to release. Bring the soles of the feet together for butterfly pose. Let's release the legs and lie flat on the back. Grab a hold of your yoga strap. Hug the right knee in towards your chest. Pull it in close. Circle out your ankle. Bend the left knee, bring the left sole of the foot flat on the ground. Bring the right ankle right above the left knee. Hug the left knee in towards the chest for reclined pigeon. Release the legs and grab a hold of your yoga strap and loop it on the arch of the right foot. Stretch the right leg straight towards the sky. Breathe deeply in your hamstring stretch. Straighten the left leg to get deeper. Release the right leg. Hug the left knee in towards your chest for half wind. Make sure to circle out the ankle on this side and use your exhalations to pull the left knee in closer. Bend the right knee up. Bring the right sole of the foot flat on the ground. Take the left ankle above the right knee. Hug the right knee in towards the chest. Push the left knee away from the body. Release the legs. Use your yoga strap and loop it on the arch of the left foot. Use your exhalations to soften. Release the left leg. Set your yoga strap off to the side. Hug both knees in towards the chest for wind relieving pose. Release the legs. Come up and set up your props behind you. You can stack pillows or just use your yoga bolster. We're going to take a reclining hero pose. Face your back towards your props. Sit on your calves and then recline the upper body back on your props. Tuck your tailbone down, lengthen your lower back, and relax the body into this deep quad stretch. Release reclining hero. Keep the props as is behind you and come to sit down and bring the soles of the feet together in front of you for reclining butterfly. Get comfortable. Soften the hips, the shoulders. Soften the whole body. Prepare to release. Stretch the arms up overhead and bring the knees together. Find easy seated pose. Stretch the arms up overhead and bring the palms together to end our practice. Thank you for hanging out with me and stretching with me. Have a nice rest of your day. Peace and ease to you.